guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. In today's video, you guys, we are going over our July 2019 financial goals. Talk about how to create a budget. So, you know, when people hear the word budget, they get irritated. It's not nothing that they really like to do. But in reality, we all have a budget. We just don't take the time to go through our budget thoroughly. So in this video, it's going to be very simplified. As you know, when I talk about my financial goals, I try to target audiences and I target people that are pretty much on a minimum amount of income. I do not try to overwhelm you guys with any kind of saving tips. So this video is going to be very simplified. It's not going to be no long drawn out Excel documents or anything like that. I'm just going to keep it very simple. The first thing is when you want to create your budget is to categorize all of your spending accounts. So just say, for instance, if you have a food and grocery account, if you have your utility bills, if you have entertainment fund, all those different things need to be categorized. Now, what you can do, you can keep this information in your phone. You can keep this information written out on a notepad. It doesn't have to be in an exact Excel document. The second tip I like to suggest is for you guys to make sure that you have different spending accounts. For myself, I have an account where I use for my bills, I have an account where I use for just food and gas, and I also have a business account. So I have 3 separate accounts, and the amount of money that I have directly deposited into those accounts are the amount of money that I budgeted that I know without a shadow of a doubt that I'm going to spend on those particular accounts. So that is a good strategy. Now don't get me wrong, if you don't have multiple spending accounts or you don't want to open up multiple checking accounts, there's all kind of different prepaid debit cards out there. Me personally, I do prefer those prepaid debit cards only because the money that you get directly deposited on those cards is the money that you're actually going to have to spend. There's no overdraft fees, there's no overdraft limits or anything like that. What you decide to put on those cards is exactly what you're going to have to spend. The third tip I want to share with you guys is to make sure that whatever you spend, start writing it down. And if you're not the type of person where you have a minute or two once you do a transaction to write it down on a piece of paper, simply put it in your phone. So just say, for instance, if I decide to go to Zaxby's one day, as soon as I leave Zaxby's or before I pull off, I would just simply go on my phone and I always would write $1 more than what the amount was. So our financial goals for July 2019 is to work on creating us a budget. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, you guys.